Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to transfer money from CoinStats to Cash App. First, open the CoinStats app and make sure a wallet is connected. Go to the portfolio section. Next, link a portfolio that supports Cash App transfers, such as Coinbase, by connecting your Coinbase account to CoinStats. Once your account is connected, tap Add Manual Transaction to transfer your balance from CoinStats to Coinbase. Select the currency you want to cash out in, for example USD, then choose Sell and enter the amount you wish to sell. After that, select the portfolio your connected Coinbase account should appear. This will transfer your funds from CoinStats to Coinbase. Finally, open the Coinbase app and transfer the funds from there to your Cash App account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.